Hey there, Roger Burnley here, and I've been a vocal coach for more than 25 years here in Hollywood, and I always like for my clients to understand, first of all, how they are using their body to create their sound. So in this video, I'm going to talk about basic vocal techniques, meaning how do you create sound? You create sound from your vocal cords, vocal folds, you'll hear that term a lot too, which are located here inside your larynx or your voice box. As air comes through your trachea, your windpipe, then what happens, even as I'm speaking now, what's going on? My cords are coming together to be able to create a sound. So what you're learning how to do is to use your body in a way where you're basically consciously using your vocal cords to sing. You don't think about it when you're speaking, it just happens. But when we start to sing, we start to use all kinds of other things that get in the way. So I'm going to give you something really simple here to do. All that's happening there is that I'm allowing my vocal cords to come together as I'm going higher. You'll also start to notice that as you're doing that, and if you're not pushing, that you will be supporting your breath too. So, get in touch with how you breathe before you start to do this, and you're going to duplicate that in your singing. So let me just demonstrate. What I'm doing there, using my hands, because I want you to get the idea that as I'm going there, the chords are just coming together very easily like that, instead of, pushing or falling back in your throat. Just do it very easily like that and start to mentally get in touch with how you're creating sound. A little bit more. So now you've just had a little bit of a lesson in the physiology of the voice or basic vocal techniques. See you soon.